next presenter is Dr. Hemant Kamal, Professor, Department of Urology, PGIMS, Rohtak. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So the topic for today is utility of immunohistochemical expression of smoothline in staging of urothelial carcinoma and transurethral resection specimen of bladder tumor. Now, introduction. Now, the accurate recognition of muscularis propria and mucosa in bladder cancer is crucial. Now, the distinguishing between the muscularis propria from mucosa can be problematic on H&E staining, because on H&E staining we can see that the smooth muscles are there, but we cannot tell whether these smooth muscles are present in muscularis mucosa or that of muscularis propria because of hyperplastic mucosa, desmoplastic reaction, and sprayed MP due to tumor. So the immunohistochemical stain, that is desmin, it stains both the smooth muscles of mucosa and propria. But smoothline is a novel smooth muscle specific marker expressed only in terminally differentiated smooth muscle cells and relatively specific for only smooth muscles of muscularis propria. Now, the aim is to evaluate the diagnostic value of smoothline and desmin expression and assess their potential use as a discriminatory stain between the muscularis mucosa and propria of the bladder. So, in method, 55 cases of TURBT specimens having primary urothelial tumor were taken, and the markers included were the smooth muscle actin, desmin, and smoothline. Now, results are that is the smooth muscle actin that stained all the smooth muscles of vessels, muscularis propria, and mucosa. Desmin stained almost all the smooth muscles of muscularis mucosa and muscularis propria with equal intensity. But with smoothline, the muscularis mucosa showed either absent, that is 49%, or weak staining, that is 47%, and only 2 cases, that is 3.7%, showed moderate positive staining, and none case shows strong positivity, while the muscularis propria, they showed strong or moderate staining in all. So to conclude is that a distinction of immunohistochemical pattern of smoothline in muscularis mucosa and propria and comparing its expression with desmin proves very useful for especially in the difficult cases of staging of urothelial cancer. Thank you so much.